Today, I want to quickly answer one important question many business owners are asking right now. Why am I not receiving OTP from Rev360? Now, listen carefully because this is where many people are getting confused. If you have been trying to register on or log in on the new Rev360 portal and you are not receiving OTP, then this video is for you because many businesses are currently facing this same issue. Some people think the portal is not working, while some think their email is wrong. Others believe their account has been blocked. But the truth is, there are different reasons why OTP may not enter. And in this video, on CAC Business Registration Sholat Frame 247, I will explain the common causes and what you can do. Now, the first reason is spam or junk folder. A lot of people only check their inbox and forget that OTP messages sometimes enter spam, promotion, or junk folders. So, always check every folder carefully before requesting another OTP repeatedly. Second reason is network or server delay. Right now, many businesses are migrating from tax romance to Rev360, and because of the heavy traffic on the portal, OTP delivery may delay sometimes. Some OTPs enter after a few minutes, while others may require trying again later. Another important thing is browser issues. Sometimes the problem is not from Rev360 itself. Using an outdated browser, opening multiple tabs, using VPN, or weak network can interrupt OTP requests. So try using Chrome browser, clear cache, and avoid opening too many Rev360 tabs at once. And please stop clicking resend OTP too many times immediately because that can temporarily block new OTP requests from entry. Now, here is the main thing you need to know. Rev360 mostly send OTP to the email address that was originally used during CAC registration. Yes, not necessarily the email you are currently using now or the one you recently changed to somewhere else. So many people are checking the wrong email and thinking Rev360 is not working. For example, if your business was registered years ago with another email address, Rev360 will still send the OTP there because that was the original email linked to the CAC registration and tax records. That is why some businesses are struggling to activate or log in into Rev360. Another thing is that some people no longer have access to that old email again, while some even forgot the exact email used during their CAC registration. So before panicking or requesting OTP many times, first try to confirm the exact email that was used during your CAC registration. I know you will want to ask, how can I check the email that was used for my CAC registration? So come with me as I show you how you can check for you to know the exact email that you used while you were registering your CAC registration in few seconds. All you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser, then you cancel this and go to this main registration spot. Then you need to click on this create new account. If that particular business is a corporate entity, which I believe you've registered with CAC, you click on corporate. Then it will take you down to this place where you need to pick, is it a company, an IT, an enterprise, or a limited liability partnership. So this particular company that we want to check the email is a company. So let's go, you click on company, then you get the ROC number of that particular company. That is what we make you to know the exact email that Rev360 is sending your OTP to. So copy that ROC number and paste here. Then you click on verify your CAC details. It will load up for you like this. So here you will be seeing the email for this particular business. Here is the email, the 3-letter word that begin the email that the person used on our company registration. You can see it here where my arrow is pointing to. With this, the person will know the specific email that he or she used while she was registering our CAC. So this will give her a clue of the email she will be expecting the OTP from, not just randomly looking for OTP anyhow. Let's use another company as another example for you to understand very well. This is also a company. Let's go again. Corporate, company. Then you paste the ROC number and click on verify your CAC detail. It will also load up for you like this, and you'll be seeing the email. You can see the previous email we check with the person's RC details brought out the exact email, same as this. This brought out the first 2-letter word of the email this person used while registering their company with CAC. So for the last example, let me use another company. Let's go back to the beginning. Go to create new accounts, corporate, company. Start clicking on company, paste the RC number here and click on verify your CAC details. And boom, it will show you that particular email. So here is the email for this third example. You can see the first one gave us BLE, that is what the person used. The second one gave us PE, that is what the person used. Then this third company uses MO and so on. So with this, they will be able to know that, okay, this is the exact email that Rev360 will send my OTP to. So this is how you check and know the exact email that Rev360 is going to send your OTP for you, so as for you to go straight to it to get it without parading or parabolating around all your emails. I hope this was clear enough. Delay the process more. Now, if you no longer have access to the old email used for CAC registration, you may need to start working on updating or recovering that email properly. That is why it is very important for every business owner to keep their registration details safe and updated. Now, here is my advice. Before panicking, confirm the correct email linked to your CAC account. Secondly, make sure to check every spam and junk folders properly. And thirdly, confirm your tax office if needed. And again, wait few minutes before requesting for another OTP. And lastly, make sure you use a stable browser and a stable network. Most importantly, stay patient because Rev360 is still new and many updates are happening gradually. If this video helped you understand why your OTP may not be entering or dropping, make sure you subscribe and follow because I will keep sharing practical Rev360 tax promo, CAC, and business compliance updates that can save you stress and confusion. And before I go, let me know in the comment section, are you facing OTP problem on Rev360 through email or during account activation? I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.